Okay, but let us test. What if we are authenticated? Would everything work as expected? So let us authenticate. Okay, when we try to go to my profile, it's still not working. So let us debug this together. So private route, what it does, it checks if we are authenticated, and based on that, it either renders a component or redirect. So there is something we are missing. We are missing. We are not providing whether we are authenticated or not in app.js. We are not providing this to app.js. So ideally we should have something like this. Auth equal true or false. But this for sure should not be something that is hard coded. This should be a value that is coming from Redux as the global state management. So what we need to do is connect this component, which is the app component, with Redux. We do not need to dispatch any action, so we need map state to props to get the state, but we do not need map dispatch to props. We need to name this another name like the app and allow app to be the connected component. So right now this tab has been apparent. It was there from the beginning, but let's just check if the route is there. So the route is finally there, and when we are logging out, even if we try to access the route from the URL, it is still so currently this is not working. The right thing is to find right here, the right thing is not being able to access this route as long as we're not authenticated. This is because we mistakenly kept auth to true. Ideally we should have this as this dot props dot is authenticated. So let us test now the check. Right now accessing profile is not accessible if we are not authenticated. When we authenticate, it should be accessible. Okay, great.